no, no, let's go. Yeah, yeah, no negativity. No, no.
Alright, so now I'm gonna show you the secret. If this string is on 50, start moving this one from 50 to 40. Alright, if this one is on 40, start moving this one from 40 to 30. Now it's super simple. Let's say this one is on 60, the peak reduction is on 60. Start moving the gain from 60 towards 30, 40 downwards. All right, like this. And when the peak reduction is on 50, start moving this from 50 downwards. Okay, so opposite. Now listen, we're gonna start with peak reduction of 50, and always make sure you turn this all the way flat. All right, we don't want the high frequency.
No poverty, no, 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 no to my enemies. No, 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 let's go. Yeah, yeah, no negativity. No negativity, no.
So you can actually see as this one is moving downwards, coming from moving from 50 to 40, 30. I'm also pushing this one from 50 getting to 30 downwards. All right, it's super simple.
No, no, no poverty. No, 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 no to my enemies. No, 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 let's go. Yeah, yeah, no negativity. Path on the mic and he coming with the energy.
And when you watch here, you can see this is timing with the tempo, and that will tell you that you are compressing well.
Energy, you know you still feeling me. Now I'm at peace and I don't need an enemy. You know you still need me. You know you broke, you know I got a remedy. Ain't no freebies. Yeah, got a grip on life and we alright and singing. No, 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 no negativity. No.
If you wanna add more compressing, if you wanna compress it hard, what you need to do is to go opposite. Start pushing this peak reduction back to where it came from. All right, so 50, then this one too, we're gonna push it to 50.
No, no, no poverty. No, 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 no to my enemies. No, 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 let's go. Yeah, yeah, no negativity. Yeah, no negativity.
All right, so if you watch here, you can see the peak reduction is 50, and the gain reduction is 48, almost close, and you're gonna sound great. Now without the CLA-2A compressor, listen.
Yeah, yeah, no negativity. Path on the mic and he coming with the energy. You know you still feeling me.
And now with it, listen.
Oh,
I'm gonna bypass the beat. Now listen.
Yeah, no negativity. Quaff on the mic and he coming with the energy. You know you still feeling me. Now I'm at peace and I don't need an enemy. You know you still need me. You know you broke, you know I got a remedy.
Without it, listen.
Remedy, ain't no freebies. Yeah, got a grip on life and we alright and singing.
So guys, this is how you can actually use the CLA-2 compressor from Waves. How can you clean up your vocals? You can actually hear background noise from the vocals. After compressing, you're gonna hear this background noise because everything is compressed. How can you remove that? Using a simple plugin. Then subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna show you in the next coming video. Make sure you click on the next video to learn how to EQ like a pro. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blazed.
No, no, yeah, yeah, no negativity. Path on the mic and he coming with the energy. You know you still feeling me. Now I'm at peace and I don't. Let's go. Friends linked up in the club. We just got back. Tonight we chilling. Toast to the days that we couldn't go up. We find our path and now we winning. Tell me where you been at, bro. Friends linked up in the club. We just got back. Tonight we chilling. Toast to the days that we couldn't go up. We find our path and now we winning. Tell me where you been at, bro. Making money by the millions. Gotta get with that, bro. What about you, bro? Checking trips off the bucket list just like tic-tac-toe. Damn, how do I get that, bro? Tired of feeling